euro. I did want to share a chart. I believe it was from Monday's post or Tuesday's post. This is Monday's post, isn't it? So this is FXE. This is the Euro ETF. I do not trade currency ETFs. However, there are times when they give you pretty good signals. And these are based on volume. So if you're familiar with my work at all, you'll know that I do place an emphasis on volume and not, in futures, equities, ETFs, what have you. You get pretty good signals at turns. So like there's, a little setup here where you've got a huge move in one direction on high volume at a certain high or low period. And then the direct immediate next bar is in the exact opposite direction. We call that a 2-bar reversal. In this case, it's a weekly reversal, and we got the third such reversal since the inception of this ETF in FXC. So you can see the other two over here. They actually weren't exact highs or lows, but they were very close to massive turns. And we got one last week, actually. So, that reason alone isn't, enough to be constructive euro. I know euro hasn't done a whole lot, compared to like Aussie or CAD or whatever, but just going on this analysis here, that might be able to change, or that might be about to change. So something to keep in mind there. As far as the price chart's concerned, this is just an hourly chart here. I don't know why this is like this, but you could have, it's not really the best looking trend line in the world. However, you've got a little head and shoulders action here, right? I don't know. I'm constructive euro against that little low there, 1570. We have run into former lows here, former support. This is the August low, right? We've run into that level at 1660, and we have, pulled back a bit. So, caution warranted on a very, very short-term basis here. However, given that volume reversal I just talked about, I am constructive here against this 115.70 low. And there's another reason to, be constructive against that low. And that is, you can see here, here's my short-term hourly volume stuff. And this over here, what was that? Was that NFP? I think it was, wasn't it? Yeah, that was NFP. I think that was on the 8th. That was a huge volume hour, right? Those levels, or those volume hour, those volume spikes, I like to use as points of reference. And look where we found support. I guess that was on Monday, right? During European hours, right there. So the market responded there. It's a vested interest, and let's be bullish against that level. Call it a day. Okay. So there we have euro.